Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 21st May 2026, Nifty Index opened gap down by around 160 points but picked up strength right from the start of the session and approached 23,700 zones. It covered its opening losses and managed to close in gains of around 50 points. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame with bulls absorbing every small decline. India VIX was down by around 1.3% to 18.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.24. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,200 to 24,000 levels, while immediate range could be in between 23,500 to 24,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,597 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,968 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 12%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to now hold above 23,600 for the next up move towards 24,000 and 24,200 marks, while support can be seen at 23,600. Bank Nifty has to hold above 53,500 for a bounce towards 54,000 and 54,500, while support can be seen at 53,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in CG Power, Mankind, Hindalco, Cummins, Motherson, Bajaj Auto, Policy Bazaar, Biocon, Fortis and Apollo Hospital, while some weakness could be seen in Keynes, BEL, D-Mart, Tata Steel, AB Capital, Exide and PG Electroplast. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.